Hello everyone, today we are going to design a wheel using Revolve boss base command in Solidworks. So this is the drawing of the wheel, or you can say pulley, which we are going to draw using Solidworks software. So first of all, I'm going to draw this view. As you can see, I'm going to draw half view. So first I'll draw a center line in Solidworks. So I'll select the front plane, sketch on it, okay, select line. In line I'm going to select center line, okay, this is my center line, select. Then I'm going to draw a rough sketch of this part, the upper part. As you can see, this upper part, I'm going to draw a rough sketch of the upper part, and then I'm going to add dimension to it. So going back to the drawing, so I'll draw a rough sketch. Before drawing the rough sketch, I'll draw again a center line, okay, from here to here, a center line like this, select. Then I'm going to draw a sketch like this, draw a line like this, one straight line like this. Let me have a look at the drawing. It is like this, and then like this, like this, similar to the drawing, okay, finish, select. Now what is the dimension of the drawing? Let me check the dimension. The dimension is from this point to the center point, center line, it is 10 mm. Half of 20 is 10. So I'm going to add this dimension. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the drawing, select smart dimension, from here to here, center line. Then I'm going to just extend my mouse like this. Don't click, just extend like this, so it will give you the whole dimension 20. So I'm going to edit it and add 20 mm. Okay, now after that, again I'm going to check from this point to this point. I think it is 12, but the whole extension is 24. Understood? From this point to this center line is 12, but the whole is 24. So again, going back to the drawing, smart dimension, okay, click on this point, and then just move my cursor below the center line, okay, and just click on it to change the edit the dimension. So I'm going to add 24. Understood? Now the angle between this line and this line, is 8 degrees. As you can see in the drawing, the angle between this line and this line, and this line is 8 degrees. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my drawing, select this line and select this line, and add a dimension of 8 degree. Finish. Now what else is required? The top part, okay, the top part is this one, is 4 mm. What is the dimension? 4 mm. As you can see, this one is 4 mm. So I'm going to add a dimension of 4 mm. Select, go over here and add a dimension of 4 mm. Understood? Now this one is 5 mm. From this point to this from this line to this center line, the dimension is 5 mm. So I'm going to go back and cross verify. Yeah, it is 5 mm, but this is not 5 mm. It is, what I'm showing is 2.5 mm. See, full is 5, the half is 2.5. See, from here to here it is 2.5, from this line to this line 2.5, and full dimension is 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click over here and just move and click on this center line and just extend it. That will be, and I'm going to edit and add 5, dimension 5. See, okay. Now what else is required? The dimension, the whole dimension, this one, this top line is 29 mm. So again the same process, I'm going to click on this edge and just move my cursor beyond the center line and click on it and edit it. Click on dimension and edit it. It is 29. Okay, Now what else is required? The height from top to bottom, from top line to the center line is 40 and full is 80, as you can see from here. See, what is it? From top to bottom, the full pulley, the diameter is 80, but half will be how much? 40. So I'm going to go back to the drawing. From this point to, then I'm going to click on this center line. It is, see, if I don't go beyond the center line, it will just take 42, something like that, but I'm going to go beyond the center line. So now I'm going to click on it and add dimension 80, the whole dimension. Now what else is remaining? Let me check. It's still underdefined. Okay, from this point, this line, from this line to this line, the center line, I'm going to extend. It is 40 mm. How you got 40 mm? I'll show you. From this drawing, see, it is how much? See over here, from this edge to this edge, the full dimension is 40 and half will be 20. So I've taken full, and here is the center line which we have drawn in the drawing. It's in the drawing, present in the drawing, like this center line in Solidworks. Okay, now as you can see over here, it is now fully defined. So now what I'm going to do, I need similar pattern, similar sketch on the left hand side also. So I'm going to use mirror command. Where is my mirror entities? I'm going to go in sketch, in mirror entities, click on it, entities to mirror. So I'm going to select each line individually, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines. Okay, mirror about which line you're going to mirror about? Mirror about this line, this center line. So okay, now check it, green. Now the right hand side has been mirrored to the left hand side. So now the drawing is something similar to this one, the half one. Now to make a whole wheel, we are going to use the revolve boss base command. So going back to the drawing, going back to Solidworks, I'm going to exit the sketch by clicking on this. Okay, after I've exited the sketch, I'll go to revolve boss base. Where's revolve boss base? It's present over here. Click on it. Okay, now axis of revolution, this is the axis of revolution, understood, and blind, direction 1 blind, and it's 360 degree. Okay, now my drawing has been completed. So now I'll add fillet on the wheel. So how to add fillet on the wheel? It's very easy. So I'll go to in features, I'll go to fillet, see fillet, and I'm going to add a fillet of 1 mm symmetric. Okay, 1 mm fillet, and I'm going to select the edges which I want to fillet. This is this edge, and back this one and this one. Now my drawing is ready. So in order to add color, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to solid bodies, solid bodies, select fillet. Okay, and add purple color. Okay, the whole body has been selected. So this is the purple color. So if you have liked my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. For any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.